In this film, we introduce ETS Nord's RVD wall-mounted combined intake and exhaust grille. Recommended for use anywhere intake and exhaust both need to penetrate the same wall surface. RVD grilles are the ideal solution for residential buildings where ventilation is local to each apartment. RVD's powder-coated galvanized steel housings provide a lifetime of durability. They are modularly designed with a minimal number of components, significantly simplifying their installation, and are easily mounted onto any exterior surface with just a few basic tools and the application of sealant. Exhaust duct connections are provided with rubber gaskets and mesh screens. RVD's focused flow pattern completely eliminates any chance of cross-contamination between the intake and exhaust. With air intake from the bottom, you will never have to worry about rain or snow penetration. Their modular and symmetrical design is even reversible, so the exhaust connection can be positioned on either the left or right side. Exhaust flow is further easily adjustable with its built-in damper. RVD grilles are unique, stylish, and available in multiple sizes for all your project needs. RVD is available in standard gray RAL 7000 or optionally any other RAL color of your choice. ETS Nord's product specialists are standing by to assist you in designing the attractive and functional building ventilation system you strive for. Call ETS Nord today